Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to hide archive chats on Telegram. So I just opened Telegram, and right away I noticed that archive chat bar is sitting at the top like it's owned a place. And honestly, if you're trying to keep your inbox clean, it can feel a little unnecessary. So here's what I do. I take the archive bar and simply swipe it to the left. That's it, no deep settings, no hidden menus. Just one quick swipe, and suddenly it's gone. It doesn't delete anything, by the way, it just quietly moves out of his sight like a polite guest who finally got the hint. Now, if you ever need it again, it's still here, just tucked away at the bottom as a small archive option. Personally, I like this because it keeps my main chat less focused and distraction free. Quick tip: if you archive chats often, you might find yourself bringing it back anyway, but hey, at least now you're in control of what shows up first. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.